Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and refreshing summer drinks that are perfect for kids and parents alike. Whether you're having a picnic, a playdate, or just a sunny day at home, these drinks will keep you cool and hydrated. So, let's get started. First up, we have Fruit-Infused Water. It's super easy and oh so refreshing. Let's find ingredients. Strawberries, 5 or 6. Lemon, about 1 lemon. Mint leaves, 3 or 4 mint leaves. Pitcher of water, 500 milliliters. Ice cubes. First, clean your strawberries, lemon and mint leaves. Next, cut 2 ingredients on the table. Cut the strawberries and lemon into slices. Just add your fruits and herbs to a glass. Fill it with water and ice cube. You have a yummy drink that's not only tasty, but also looks beautiful. All you need is some water and your favorite fruits. Today, we're using strawberries, lemon, and fresh mint. You can mix and match with whatever you like. See you soon, friends!